Hello everyone, I'm Emin. I would like to show you how to use the Eternity hybrid voting application together with MetaMask and Eternity ERC20 tokens that are already in migration. In migration means that you have migrated your Ethereum AE tokens to Eternity in the current phase 2, but you still want to participate in the voting. Therefore, I want to show you how to first migrate and secondly vote with migrated tokens. Right now I have a wallet here with 10.5 AE tokens. When I check this on Etherscan, this is the address. You can see 10.5 AE tokens. So I will start the migration process now. Start migration. I already have an Eternity address, so I skip this step and I enter the address manually, which I'm doing with copy-paste. I have prepared this. I continue, and I would like to proceed with MetaMask. Now the token migration asks me to connect. I confirm the connection. I agree, and I only send 5 AE tokens in migration. I make the transaction, and again confirm it. In a few seconds, here on Etherscan, we can follow the process. 5 of my AE tokens get sent to the token migration contract on Ethereum. I will only have 5.5 AE token left in my wallet. Now the transaction got confirmed. And reloading the page shows me 5.5 AE tokens are in my wallet, and the other ones are transferred to the migration. If I want to check the address, I can go here and check the payload. At the very end, you will see the address which I used. But this is not important. Important is that I go to the Eternity hybrid voting application, and I want to use this with MetaMask. As you can see here, I only have 5.5 AE tokens left, but 5 tokens are in migration. So when I vote, I want to vote with 10.5 AE tokens. I connect the base app, and as you can see, it already calculates and shows you the correct amount of AE token. 5 in migration, 5 on my Ethereum wallet. I choose the amount for the block reward share, confirm my vote, MetaMask will pop up. I confirm my transaction, which is 0 AE and 0 Ether. I only pay a gas fee because the information will be put into the payload. I confirm and wait for a few seconds. Again, on Etherscan, I could follow the process in the background. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer on Ethereum. This is why we built Eternity, one of the reasons. And as soon as the block gets mined, you will see the result in the voting app. There you see I'm calling the vote, and in a few seconds here, the app should load as soon as the transaction gets mined on the Ethereum network with a voting weight of 10.5 AE token. Now let's check back here. So that looks like a success. So the page should load any second. And here we go. We have voted for 20% developer reward with tokens in MetaMask and in migration. Thank you for watching.